Again, I'm coming towards Hula Hoop. What is this? Hula Hoop scale Union Square. We're in the Union Square. And after that, we're at a sanctuary, Ithanka Studios.
No, we can't.
Oh, come on.
But you're not making.
I like it. Look at this, people are recording. This is all. This is Hula Hoop, and we are at Union Square. Oh, this is Sanctuary. Sound. And that's it. Get a good vibe. They place the bulbs on the mirror, kind of thing. And it's become. We got an open whole square space structure. I recall the Khidrapur's temple in India. And that's it. And then walk out. See. Whoa, sorry. Look at the light structure.
It's very extra.
There's on-mirror bulbs and the LEDs on the sides in a striped way. This is me recording myself. Sounds real. Look at the light shades. That was nice. I like this building. So that was what? That was Sanctuary. Unreal Access. This is Unreal Access. This is a Doraemon's door. We can open this. Wow. It's just a door with the lights. This is English door. We got this vibrant pink lights. What do we call this? This color brush. It resembles like a candy floss with the different candies. Hey, it resembles like Brighton traditional candies, like Brighton rock candies. Now with the color brush, we are heading to manifestation. Upcoming is manifestation. Manifestation. Please, in the given year and in this upcoming years, just make me a billionaire. I want to be a billionaire. Kind of nice. We got a staff here to guide the people when the lights step in. Oh, that was that line. Now I came this side where I walked in the last video. Nice perfume. Somebody is wearing nice perfume. I got a feeling like a British museum. Came on the 11th hour, expecting to finish every single light show. How many there are in total? 4, 5 are 20, 24, 27 lights. All over the property. Look at this massive structure. I like this. Still shooting a video, taking video photos. lighting. No. Yeah. Why? Oh, nice. And that's all on this side of this BMW building, like area. Well, this is truly eye-catchy. Some people are doing video shoot, photo shoots. But look at this building. I seen kind of same building in Manchester. Wow, what a building. And that's all for in this video. Serene. Well, that's the boat. The people are doing dinner on top of it. It's gonna be 45 degrees out. My on left side. Oh, that's the plane.